no. Let's get into that later on. I'm not the host for the interview today, so let's get into the next host, of course, ang nag-iisa. Kilala niyo naman siguro kung sino na natitira, di ba? With 1.2 million followers, the only Filipina who rocked the TikTok live events in Korea for 2025. We have an audience in the all give it up for August Bird and yes, palakpakan naman natin ang ating E4 with of course our very own Ella. Diba? Now let's all settle down. Magsiupuan na po tayo lahat. Magsiupuan na tayo lahat. Ayan, well, the fact that Johnny is excited to be interviewed, let me call in one of our heads in the committee of the E4 family. Let's all give it up for Miss Jeanette!